Okay, so we're beginning to learn the importance of the 90-degree angles and the golden rule. Okay, so this is very similar to the one you just worked on, but it's more how to receive a pass. This is what's interesting about this little drill though, okay? So I work with players who play a lot of rugby, for example, okay, because in Ireland rugby is very popular. When they receive the ball in rugby, it's a lot of straight line running, okay? So they're usually put on the wing in football because they're good at receiving the ball, they're fast and they're straight, and they can run straight. But they really struggle with this drill. So when I notice that someone really struggles with this drill, I'd really make them do it, let's say 10 minutes a day for 3 weeks. And it's amazing the results they'll start to have. They'll start to come into centre mid, centre attacking mid, centre defending mid, or in the centre completely, because they get better at just twisting their body, okay? So this drill, I'm not breaking any boundaries working on it, but highlighting the importance of it for certain players, it can literally change your game. Okay, so here's how it works. You basically pass it off the wall here. That's 1 point. And then pass it off here, and then 2, 3, 4, up to 20. And what's the fastest time you can get? There's some ways you can get disqualified though, so careful. If you take a pass here and then pass it, don't get around this cone, pass it through here, you get disqualified. If you touch this cone, you get disqualified. Also, I don't want to go into this. One touch, see, I would be disqualified. One touch. I need it to be 2 touches. So I'll allow, 3 out of the round, 3 where you might have to do a 1 touch. For example, it might be over here, you might go like this, and it makes so much sense just to do a 1 touch. But so I'll let you say 2, I'll let you do 2 or 3 around within the round, but you can't start doing loads of 1 touches. If you're starting out the game, you're going to be going like this, the ball's going to come over here, and then you're going to be over at this angle, passing here, getting it here, taking another touch here. We're going to be all over the place at the start, okay? So you want to get to the point where you go from that to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I just did 10 there. Obviously, usually I wouldn't smash in the passes that much, but because these are kind of foamy, I had to kind of hit it so I got it back fast enough. But you can see how it's efficient. That ball's coming in and out. I'm keeping it tight to that blue cone, and I'm making it efficient. Okay, so really good drill. So what's the fastest time with 2 touches you can do doing 20 reps? Good luck.